Okay, so the tide is high. I'm just back here at the beach on a nice sunny day. I want to, it's going to be a real short video. I want to go back there and see if there's any more of that Arbutus wood there that was struck by lightning, they say. So I'm just going to walk up, well, that way, see if I can get some. I want to send Larry Dibbs over on Vancouver Island. I want to see if there's a cool piece for him and see if Skipper over there in Ontario can carve it. Okay, so, alright, bye. There's those little beaking, those little studio on the lake birds there. Little shore birds with the orange beaks. I forget the name of them. But you'll hear them. They're trying to lure me away from their nest. Those guys. Nice piece of cedar right here. Super nice thin piece. I should take some of this bark home. I need some bark for a future project. Cedar bark. Hope I remember where this Arbutus is, or hope it didn't even float away with the tide. Well, that was a sure nice piece of cedar I carved that wood spirit in yesterday. The only thing is, I just don't remember where I put it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I think I see it up here. See if it's worth taking. Here it is. See, it's got this weird burl thing here. I don't know. Some weird burl things here. These things. Anyways, I got my chainsaw back there. I'm going to take it down to where my chainsaw is and cut her up, see if it's rotten inside. Here's a smaller piece that I cut. Guys, remember I did the wood spirit on a weird concave? Anyways. Well, I guess I'll cut it up, see if it's rotten down here. Doesn't look too bad on this end. Okay, I'm gonna get to where my chainsaw is. Okay, so I got this back where my chainsaw is. I'm just gonna cut it up, maybe cut a couple pieces. Nothing special about this piece. There's no more of that crazy lightning stuff on it, so I'll just cut it from here to here, a couple little pieces, see if it's rotten on the inside. I got no use for it. I don't think Larry has no use for it. And I'll see about Skipper. Maybe I can just cut a little piece out here. Okay, so yeah, nothing really special, but it's solid. You got this little burl piece, and then where's that other piece? This piece that looks like a dirty bum hole. And just a little piece I cut for skip. That's all. Short video. I'm going home. I gotta go finish the koi fish rock carving. Anyways, I thought I would just say hi to you guys. And I hope you're out enjoying the day or carving or doing something creative. Not sitting on the couch being depressed or whatever. Okay, so we'll see you guys soon. The koi fish video will probably be out tomorrow morning if I get it finished. Okay, bye. Yeah, Larry, I don't know. There's this piece. It's solid, but do you really need it? Sure, there's lots of Arbutus on your beaches on the island. Something like that, but I don't know. Nothing that I'd really take home. But anyways, it's up to you.